How to find your watch history on Instagram account. So, first of all, launch Instagram app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are here on your profile. Now, once you are here on your profile, go ahead and tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner. From here, go ahead and tap on your activity. From here, scroll down below. And under how you use Instagram, you'll be able to find watch history. Tap on it. So if in your account you have watched certain videos, it will be displayed over here. So in my case, I haven't watched any videos from the account. It is not displayed here. So if you follow these simple steps, you will be able to find watch history on your Instagram account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.